Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today I thought I would do a quick shave with this Dovo Shavette. Very lightweight, replaceable blade type razor with the insert that holds the safety razor blade. You can see the blade. I've already installed it right there. I'll put links along the way to how to install the blades and that sort of thing. I've done a few videos on that so far. You can check those out. This comes in different colors: black handle, blue handle, shiny blade holder, matte blade holder. This is a matte blade holder right here. It says on the front, Shavette, Dovo, Solingen, Germany, right across the front. All you do is insert your blade into the little plastic portion right here. It comes with different plastic inserts. You insert the blade, you fold it over, you put it back in, and you're ready to rock and roll with your shave. Very simple. I'm just gonna do a quick shave. Got a couple days beard growth. Let's get right to it. Warming up the Shave Nation bowl. I've got my brush soaking in the Scully cup right here. Squirt a little shaving cream right down into that lather spot. Just like that. Remove the brush. A couple shakes. Right in here, see if we can mix a lather. Today it's the LEA Menthol Shaving Cream in the tube. Look how quickly it lathers up. It's got a nice mentholated scent. The more you swirl, the more it rises to the top. Scoop it, push it back in. Push those bristles against the lather spot at the bottom. Generate friction, create more lather. Plenty of lather, look at that. Here's a look at the cream, the LEA Mentholated Shaving Cream. Warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. My face is good and warm. Let's grab our brush. Copious amounts of lather. Yummy. Let's lather up. Nice thick lather with a great scent. Nice coverage. Drive it into the beard. Figure eight, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe. Swipe. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. All right, here we go. You can hold it any way you want. One finger in the front, two finger in the front, two in the back. Whatever's comfortable for you. Under the hot water. I will cut the sideburn one finger. It's a little bit easier to see. Nice feedback from this razor. Now I'm going to switch to two. Gives you a little bit more strength against the handle, so it doesn't jump around. Rinse. Right down the neckline. Rinse. Left side, one finger, cut the sideburn. Switch to two. Rinse. Down the neckline. Rinse. Scoop under the mustache. Very easy to scoop under. Rinse. Other side. Left hand, left side, right hand, right side. Rinse. A quick face rinse, relather. Just a light coating of shaving cream this time. Feels nice and cool now that the bulk of the beard has been removed. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways once again. Okay, the first pass was with the grain, north to south. Now we'll go across the grain. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Right hand, left side, left hand, right side. Mustache. Clean the cleft. A final cold water rinse. Take your Shave Nation wide stick Alum Black, remove the cap. Under the cold water, just glide that all around the areas you shaved. Recap that, set it down. Now let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. A nice cold water rinse. Pat the face dry. Apply your aftershave. There you go, a nice close shave provided by the Dovo Shavette. Replaceable blade, uses any double-edged safety razor blade split in half. We also sell the pre-split blades that come in packs of hundreds. You can get those as well. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 500 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.